And this is going to be the top-down analysis, the weekly top-down analysis of GJ. And yes, so weekly, as usual, weekly. So this is orange to me. And it's 2 points. Right, so here, I don't go too much in the past. I'm just looking for the last structural point and a trend line to see where the current price is now. So this is a trend line because this is a downtrend, and this is my last structural point. I do this every week and sometimes even on Wednesdays to refresh what's happened and what if there are new levels to pay attention to. Right, so now the Fibonacci of this whole like impulsive move is going to be this. And here we see that it retraced to 23, so let me do a bit bigger. Right, so here it retraced to 23, so we're good. We pull this to the side to see, and we see that once it touched the negative 27, price has been consolidating for a while now. And we are at this point here where, oh, we just took this high and well, took the high, we wicked the high. We don't know what's gonna happen. Then our trend line going up. So this created a new high. So initially the trend line was like this, connecting 2 or more points, but then this move down created then a move up, which broke structure there. So now my new trend line is this. This is the new trend. And this is 2 points, right? And then, yeah. So also this wick. So I would dare to draw this one like that. Let's see. And like that because it gets most of the price. But anyway, we are kind of far away. We can always adjust it when it comes closer. Now daily. Where are we with the daily? So a thing I like to do, because it's then it can get messy, is to mark up my negative 61.8, negative 61.8, and I like to do it in blue. Oops, style in blue. And then, but this was the negative 27. Let's just write it there. Negative 27. Right. And I'm going to put an alarm on this one. That. Negative 61.8. Not that overnight gets there, but okay. So this was the consolidation through December and January and February. This was the trend line, because this was the downtrend. So this was our trend line. It broke and retested. Then we've got, so this trend line is green. Then we had a break of structure here. This was the last higher low. A last break of structure here. So it broke structure. So now we can place the fib on the minor structure, or at least this one. Right. Okay. Now I want this. Let's do another color, another green. Retracement to the 61.8. What about 78.6? No, too far away. Anyway, so retrace to here. So broke structure, retrace to here, and now it's almost at negative 61.8. And so what else should I add? We are going to see if this goes up there. But the continuation is that, come on, that's the continuation leg. There was I'm talking about continuation leg because of impulse, which broke structure and trend line, correction, and then the continuation is this leg. So now this is the last high. I'm doing this to get there and see what we should expect. Then this is the fib of the continuation leg because it was an impulse that broke structure. And let's do another color. I'll do it this color. Yeah. Right. So retracement 2 looks like a 38. Always this thing that opens in the middle. 38. Yes, perfect on 38. So when it reached the negative 27 was finished. Now it's really finished and it is at reversal level. So we don't know what's gonna happen. This was a high that almost got retested. So now we will wait and see what happens. On 4 hour. If it comes back to retest, I'm going to enter, but it looks like it's all gone now. We'll have to wait. 2. So I've been waiting all week for this thing to give me an entry with a break and retest, but it didn't. This is a minor structure high. So it looks like, no. Where is it? Sorry. It looks like we will have to wait for a while. It could come and retest this to go higher. So for now, we have a minor structure fib, but I cannot place it yet because it's not been retracing. So I'll make a note, place a fib once it pulls back. So for now on GU, what I expect it to do is to come back in this region and then take off. So in case it starts pulling back immediately, it's going to be, let's say, this is the pullback. Yeah. And let's say that this is the continuation. I'm going to place a fib like this and see. Bye.